Now there comes a time in Swift when you want to take two strings and put them together to make another string. Now in this example we've got name and surname, and we want to generate a full name variable containing the name and surname together. And the question is how do you put these two strings together? And how do you do that? In other programming languages, you could use like the add sign or the period sign and so on, or using backticks and stuff like that. So we're going to show you how to do it right now. And we just continue with a standard string. So we'll open it with double quotes. And then all we've got to do inside here is just start with a backslash, or actually to say it correctly, we place the variable name within inside of the parentheses, the brackets. And so let's do it again for the surname. And as you can see here right now, if we just print this out, and you'll understand why I'm saying this in a second, okay? Because it's all about the thought process. And if we then do this, you can see we've got name and surname in brackets as per normal. Now the reason that they haven't they haven't shown the David and Thorn in there is because these are placeholders in the string. And when print uses it, or when the compiler does it, it's saying, hey, find me that variable name in there and replace this one, replace this name here with the string value. But right now it's not working. That's because we have to escape this, and we have to tell it, hey, this is an escaped thing, and they're placeholders for these variables. Okay, so I just wanted to get you to think about what is actually going on here. These are placeholders for variables that when the value here is going to be assigned to full name, that is what's going to happen. It's going to look in this one block scope for a variable called name and a variable called surname. However, when it comes to these brackets with a variable name inside of it, it's only going to assume that it's a placeholder once you've escaped it. All right, and then the closing bracket here, that is the thing that is going to tell them, hey, this escaping of a variable has finished. Okay, now we can do math inside of this one too. So we can take a string and we can say, I don't know, total is then equal to 5 plus 5. All right, and we can then output result here too. So when we just build and run this, you can see total is equal to 10. So within inside of that one placeholder, we can pretty much follow still the BODMAS here. So brackets first, okay, brackets first, followed by orders, power orders, and so on. But so it's going to do all of the expression inside first, with inside of the brackets, and then it's going to take that one, the result of that one expression, and use that value as the placeholder. So when it finds a variable, it's going to use a variable. When it finds an expression, it's going to complete that expression and use that value as well. So it's basically there's a level of precedence of what goes first, and in this sense, when there's an expression inside there, the expression is going to be resolved first prior to working out. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Anyway, that's how you do string interpolation. It's super easy, and I can't say much more than that. Now there is another thing that you can do when you want to. If you want to be able to distinguish if we wanted to be able to print this with the backslash and so on, and we didn't want it to be a placeholder, we just wanted it to literally look like that, then what we can do is we can place a hash at the beginning, at the end, and then we can run this, and then you can see we get total. It actually outputs the literal text that's inside of this. Now, if you were doing this for debugging, then this is what you would do. All right, so to say, hey, this is what the literal string was, and so on. So anyway, it was supposed to be just a quick video, and I hope you've got something out of this one video. And if you didn't know how to use string interpolation using Swift in the beginning, I hope you now understand it. With that said, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and if you do have any questions or any feedback on the quality of this one video, please feel free to put your thoughts in the comment section down below. With that said, thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.